Turmeric is a spice that has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and cooking. It contains a compound called curcumin, which is responsible for many of its health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of turmeric. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate pain associated with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Antioxidant properties. Turmeric is a potent antioxidant that can protect against oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Brain health. Curcumin in turmeric may improve cognitive function, memory, and mood, and potentially reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Heart health. Turmeric may help reduce cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease. Digestive health. Turmeric can aid in digestion, reduce bloating, and improve gut health. Skin health. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help improve skin health and treat conditions such as acne and psoriasis. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that curcumin may have anti-cancer properties and may help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. Diabetes management. Turmeric may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a potentially beneficial supplement for people with diabetes. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements or making changes to your diet. How turmeric should be consumed. Turmeric is a spice commonly used in Indian cuisine and has been traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Here are some ways to consume turmeric for good results. Add it to your meals. Turmeric can be added to soups, stews, curries, and rice dishes. It is also commonly used as a spice in salad dressings and marinades. Make a turmeric tea. Boil water and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a small piece of ginger, and a pinch of black pepper. Let it simmer for a few minutes and strain before drinking. Black pepper helps increase the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. Take turmeric supplements. Turmeric supplements are available in capsule form, and they usually contain higher concentrations of curcumin than the spice itself. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements. Use turmeric paste. Mix turmeric powder with water to make a paste and apply it to the skin as a face mask or on wounds as an antiseptic. It's important to note that turmeric should be consumed in moderation, and excessive consumption can cause gastrointestinal distress. Additionally, turmeric may interact with certain medications, so it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before using it as a supplement. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and press bell button icon for the latest updates. Keep visiting the channel and also share with friends and family.